Hello everyone. Today's topic is going to be machine learning versus deep learning. You will see these two terms used interchangeably, but they're not exactly the same. So today we're going to talk about what the differences are, so you can understand the differences and use the right term in the right places. So there are three main differences. First of all, machine learning is really a superset of deep learning. Deep learning is really part of machine learning. You can have algorithms that are machine learning but not deep learning, but any algorithm or model that's deep learning based is also machine learning based. That's the superset versus subset relationship these two models, if you will, have. The second thing is, as you see in the picture, um, the feature which I talked about in the previous video, I chose to talk about that before this video for this particular reason, because you have to know what a feature is to understand this picture I'm presenting to you. In machine learning, at the top half of the picture, you see a human is actually doing some kind of feature extraction before the data gets fed into the neural network. We'll talk about what a neural network is in the next video, most likely. But for now, just think of that as the processes it goes through. So the features are extracted by some kind of human activity before goes into the neural network, and the output comes out, right? That's what happens in machine learning in general. In deep learning, at the bottom of the picture, you will see that there is no human involved here. It's much smarter, but you would also notice, if you pay attention, that the neural network is much longer. It has four layers. In the pictures, there are columns, but really in neural network lingo, they're called layers. Generally, it'll be much more than four, but the point is, compared to machine learning, in deep learning, the network is much bigger and deeper. Um, but the so it's costly, but the advantage of that is the features are automatically extracted. So, for example, in machine learning, I'll have to tell I'll have to label the data with, hey, this is a car, this is not a car, and whatnot. Or actually, the cars are it's going to be output, so it's going to be features like this picture has these colors and these parts or components. You would have to identify that before it goes to the network. But in deep learning, you just feed the pictures as is, and it figures out over time which one is a car and which one is not a car, right? So it figures things out much more by itself in deep learning, but it is more costly because it has more. The network has much more layers, and is very compute intensive. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. That really helps me in what I do. And I will see you in the next video where we talk about, in general terms, what a neural network is. In further videos, we will get deeper into that because the topic of neural network is actually uh, it, it's a deeper concept, really. It takes a little while to understand what a neural network is. All right, I will see you in the next video.